Insalata con lamelle di porcini e grana. For those easy weeknight dinners, a great salad at the end is always a good choice. And here I have arugula, lots of baby arugula, delicious, porcini mushrooms, an elegant mushroom, an Italian mushroom, and some grana. And these three things will make a spectacular salad. So porcini. Porcini are these little piglet mushrooms, and they're delicious, very aromatic, and they're great in salads. So cooked, they're delicious, but raw, they even let out more flavor. The way to clean it is, you kind of clean up the roots and whatever, and then just a wet towel like this, you clean off if there's any dirt. Thin slices, the long way like this, so you really get to see the shape of the porcini. That's nice to see in a salad, a nice little mushroom. This one is clean. Now, porcini are elegant mushroom, and of course, this salad is best, and in Italy, it's really a prize salad, if you will. But if you don't have porcini, can you use champignon and all that? Of course you can. I tell you all the time. The flavor will be a little less, but you'll still have a delicious salad. Voila. So let's take all of these, let's throw them right into the arugula. And now let's dress the salad. Salt. Just like that. Fresh ground pepper. And of course, like every salad, you dress it just before you're serving it. You don't want the salad to lay around because it will wilt. Here I have some fresh lemon juice. So let's put just a little bit of lemon juice, but I think I need some more lemon juice here. Another half of the lemon, and just squeezing it with you kind of poke around the lemon and you squeeze it like that, and the lemon juice will pop out. Okay. And oil. This makes a great salad, and after sort of you ate your meat or even your pasta, whatever the main course is. But I especially like it after I have a pasta for a main course, then I need a little bit of green, a little bit of salad to kind of balance things off.
I grow arugula in my garden. Sometimes I put the seeds in the ground maybe 2-3 times every month almost. And I pick them, and on the same place I put the same different seeds, and I have different plants on top. It's more, the wild arugula have better taste. Arugula goes with everything what you have a hand in the house or what you want to get rid of. It's good and very tasty mix.
And flakes, if you will, you use a potato peeler of grana. Just you keep on shaving it off like that. And of course, you can do it before on a plate and then you just sprinkle it in, but I wanted to show you exactly how to do it. Can you put grated grana? Yeah, you could, but this kind of is, this is the way they do it in Italy. Let me toss it in, and it's not nearly enough. I'm gonna do some more. Okay. So I think I have enough of the cheese. I think the dressing is just, I'm gonna taste one just to make sure. Maybe a little salt. That's it. Okay. So, let me plate myself a dish. I can, That's perfecto, perfecto. And I think I do want a little bit more cheese right on top here. Okay, so I think we are where we want to be. It's the end of a kind of quick meal, but a royal finish to a quick meal, this great salad. And I'm just going to dive in. Let me take a good forchettata, as they say in Italian. That means a forkful. It's lemony, it's cheesy, it's the mushroomy kind of earthiness, a delicious way to end a meal. But before I end this meal, I want you to come and join me. And as I always say, tutti a tavola a mangiare. Venite!
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.